Hi, in this video we are going to see about a tutorial of how to use a model file or open a .ipynb file. So in all our final year projects we have the model code and also the front end part with the HTML, CSS, JavaScript with the Flask framework. So few of the students might not aware of using this model code or .ipynb file. So this is the tutorial for them. So for opening the model file or .ipynb file, you need to have Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab kind of things. So let me show you how to make it simple. So first thing is like go to a command prompt. So after installing your Python version, so just type Jupyter Jupyter and click enter. So here you can see in my system Jupyter is not recognized message, which means that Jupyter Notebook is not available in my system. So in case if you have already installed Jupyter Notebook, you might see some list of things that is available in it. So first, to install the Jupyter Notebook, so you need to type the command pip install notebook and click enter. So you need to have a proper internet connection because it will be downloading some required file. So now you can see the message successfully installed Jupyter. So which means that Jupyter is installed successfully. So now I'll give the same command which we given the first time, that is Jupyter Jupyter, and click enter. So as I'm having antivirus, it is just scanning. So now you can see after giving this Jupyter command, you can see this things that is available. So earlier we have seen the message that it is not recognized, but if you see right now, you can see the list of things that is available in the Jupyter command, which means Jupyter is installed successfully. So now to open the Jupyter Notebook, so just type the command Jupyter space notebook and click enter. So as I'm having antivirus, it is scanning. If you don't have any antivirus, it might not happen. So just it takes few seconds only for the first time. And now you can see it is opening in the browser part. So this is the Jupyter Notebook. So once after opening this one, so you need to load the ipynb file into the Jupyter Notebook. So I'll show you a project. For example, this project name blood pressure prediction. So in the source code folder we have the model folder. Inside that you can find this ipynb file. So this is the file that you needed to open. So now I have installed the required Jupyter Notebook software. So to open this, so here you can see the upload option with an icon of upload. So just select this. Now go into the source code location of the project which you wanted to load. For example, I'm going here into the model folder, and here this is the file I wanted to open, the model file or ipynb file. So just I'm selecting this. So now you can see that it says that it already exists. I have the same name. I'll give override. So now here you can see the time now untitled.ipynb. so just select it, and to open that just click this open. So now you can see the ipynb file is opening in a other tab. So now you can see the file is open, and this is the model code or the Python code, and you can scroll down and check it out. So in this way you can open the ipynb file in Jupyter Notebook. I'll show you with some other code also. So I'll show you again. Just select this upload, This time I'll go to other project. For example, this crime rate prediction project. I'll go to the source code, the model folder. We have different ipynb file. For example, I need to upload this k-means.ipynb file. Just select it. So now you can see this k-means.ipynb file and click open. So now you can see the file is opened, the model folder file is opened in the Jupyter Notebook, and this is the way that you need to use the model file or ipynb file using Jupyter Notebook. So now I have said you other way of using. So instead, if you can't able to install this Jupyter Notebook kind of thing, or an emergency to use it, you can use Google Colab. So just type Google Colab in the Google, so you can find this. So just go to this Google Colab. So here you can see the thing open notebook option in the Google Colab. So just select there are various options. You can directly upload from your drive, Google Drive or GitHub or upload. So now I'll select upload, as I'm going to upload from my computer. After clicking this upload, just select the browse. Again, go to the source code folder which I have shown you. For example, the blood pressure, I'll just go into the source code, the model file, and select the ipynb file. So now you can see it is uploading. So now you can see the ipynb file is being loaded into the Google Colab. So we have not installed the Jupyter Notebook. Without installing Jupyter Notebook, easily you can just open the ipynb file model folder using the Google Colab. So this is the other way of opening the ipynb file or model file in the Google Colab. So these are the two different ways where you can simply use the model file. So this is all about this tutorial, and thank you for watching.